Hello lovely people, welcome back to Mariam Edible. Today we are going to make fruit salad and I'm so excited to have you back and also to share this recipe with you. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's get started. These are the fruits that we are going to use to make our fruit salad today, and I have here pineapple. This is a ripe pineapple, okay? Yes, and I also have here bananas, papaya, tangerines, and also a slice of leftover watermelon from last night. So these are common fruits that can be found everywhere across the world. So I begin by peeling my pineapple. I know most of you have some tricks on how to peel pineapple, but I'm going by the usual way, the old-fashioned. Done. So I then divide it into two and then dice it into smaller cubes. When making fruit salad, you can use as many fruits as you want. There's no limitation to the number of fruits that you should use, okay? It all depends on your packet and also the availability or accessibility of the fruits, okay? The next fruit is papaya. We peel it nicely and then dice it into smaller cubes. Let's get rid of the seed, even though it's edible, but we don't need that in our salad. And the next one is our leftover watermelon. Don't mind the seeds, okay? We are not going to take those out. We are going to leave it. In fact, it's very good. You can even chew it with the fruit. And we are going to dice it too into smaller cubes. Finally, our tangerines. These tangerines don't have too much seeds, and above all, it tastes super sweet. I think that is why I chose that over orange. Yeah. So guys, we are done with cutting and dicing. I have here watermelon, papaya here, banana, pineapple, and then tangerine also here. So let's put everything together all in one bowl or plate. So I got my plate here. I put in my bananas right at the corner there, and then follow with my papaya. This is a family fruit salad, so I don't supposed to mix everything together. People are very selective when it comes to fruit, okay? So when you are making a fruit salad for yourself, you can mix everything together. But when you are making it for a family or a group of people, don't mix it. Allow them to make their selection. And there you have it. Isn't it nice, guys? Yes, it is. And these are common foods that can be found everywhere across the world. So guys, allow me to show you how my family and I enjoy our fruit salad at home. So we use a kebab stick, then you pick the fruits that you want, okay, with your stick or your fork. You see the reason why I said when you're making a fruit salad for a group of people or your family, you don't supposed to mix it together. Allow them to make their choice, okay? Allow them to pick the fruits that they want with their stick or fork. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.